Today on COC, we're giving you an update on our turbocharged F250 build. So, we have about 5,000 miles on it now, and Chris is going to go over some of the things that went wrong with the build, some of the things we haven't done yet, and our future plans.
So after 5,000 miles, what's gone wrong? Gladly not much, but we'll show you here. First of all, this hose, it kind of leaks here at the bottom. I've had to tighten it up twice, not a big deal. Another problem is the bottom of our feed line for the turbocharger. It has sprung a leak down there at the engine block. That one's not easy to fix. I have to take off the up pipe in order to do that, but we were planning on doing that anyway to wrap it. So we've just been kind of checking the oil for now, keeping it topped off. Third problem we had was with our wire management. We did burn a hole through the sheath on our mass airflow sensor wiring. Luckily it didn't get the wires, just the sheath. So we just kind of wrapped it up with some cable ties there. Things I haven't completed yet. First of all, I still have not got the coolant temp sensor plugged in properly. It's just kind of dangling there on my thermostat housing. I still got to do something with that. Another thing, I still do not have a dump pipe on my wastegate. You can see it's blowing junk all over my blow-off valve and my coolant hose and my fan shroud, so that's one more thing I have to address. Another thing I haven't addressed is tuning. We have been playing with our own tunes, but so far we haven't been able to find any place that can teach us how to do transmission tuning yet. So we've still been using the same tunes you've been seeing us use in the past, our performance tune and our towing tunes from 5-star tuning. Alright, so future plans. We have a lot of future plans, but for right now we're just going to try and tighten up some loose ends and fix what we have going on right now before we try to make any major upgrades. But there are a few things we want to do in the immediate future. One of them being, I'd like to put on a boost controller. Maybe squeeze a few more PSI out of this system. As I said earlier, we're going to have to take off the up pipe to wrap it, and it'll be easier to fix my oil leak while that's out. And I would also like to install a catch can. Right now I just have the valve cover just venting. I would like to hook it back up to here with the catch can or a check valve of some sort.
So stay tuned for our overview video of what we did, why we did it, and what we might have done differently. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, bye!